Good morning, students. And today we are going to start our next topic, that is causes of less developed industrial sector. First is deindustrialization. As we all know, because of the British colonial period, there is a decline in Indian handicraft industry. Second is capital goods were lacking. इंडिया में क्या था कि प्रोडक्शन जो था वो कैपिटल गुड्स का बहुत कम था, जिसकी वजह से भी दीज आर द मेन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द लेस ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर. थर्ड इज़ लिमिटेड ऑपरेशन ऑफ द पब्लिक सेक्टर. पब्लिक सेक्टर का जो पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन था दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी लो. डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी टैरिफ पॉलिसीज दैट वाज अडॉप्टेड बाय द ब्रिटिश colonial period, it was also very discriminatory. As we all know, they have imposed large taxes or large tariffs on exports of raw material and on imports of finished goods. Then competition from the machine made products. Indian handicrafts has to face huge competition from the machine made products, and due to introduction of railways also, India lose its competence over the handicrafts. Lack of heavy and basic industries. इंडिया में जो बेसिक इंडस्ट्रीज हैं हमारी, दैट आर ऑल्सो लेकिंग. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द रीजन्स फॉर द लेस डेवलपमेंट इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर. नेक्स्ट इज फॉरेन ट्रेड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फॉरेन ट्रेड पे क्या क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा? Net exports of raw material and importers of the finished goods. Now India just become a net exporter of raw material and importer of finished goods. Then now Britain has created a monopoly over the foreign trade, and it includes drain of the Indian wealth. So these are the various points and the causes of declining of the industrial sector in the domestic territory. Or next is adverse demographic condition. There is high death rate and birth rate, that is 40 to 48%. Infant mortality rate, that is 218 per thousand. Mass literacy, it was near about 84% persons are living. 80 to 90% of their income on basic needs they are spending. Lack of public health facilities. Public health facilities जो थी वो भी प्रॉपर नहीं थी. And female literacy level is just 7%. So these are the some of the adverse demographic conditions.